How to download our Finanvo on your Android phone. Launch the Chrome browser on your Android device. Enter the URL mobile.finanvo.in in the address bar and load the page. Tap the menu button, 3 dots, in the upper right corner of the browser. Select Add to Home Screen from the menu. Select Create Shortcut from the menu. You can leave it as is, or change it to a preferred name. Click on Add. Tap on Add, or Add automatically. Shortcut creation is successful. The Finanvo icon will be added to your home screen. Now you can quickly access Finanvo mobile site. How to log in and use our Finanvo feature on your phone. Tap on Finanvo icon. Click on Get Started. This will take you to the login screen. Enter your login ID and password in the respective fields. Click on the Login button. Logged is successful, you will be welcomed to the home page of Finanvo. On the home page, you will see 4 buttons at the bottom. These buttons represent different features of the Finanvo app. First, New Director; second, Company; third, New GST; fourth, GST. Tap on the New Director button. Kindly wait for few seconds. Viewing new directors. As of 30th of May 2024. You can see a total of 2,375 records of directors and companies. To view records from a different date, click on the Date button. Select the desired date and click on the Set button. Kindly wait for few seconds. Now, you will see 2,703 records of directors and companies established on 21st of May 2024. Filtering by company type. Click on the Type button to filter by company type. You can select from various company types such as LLP, Foreign, PTC, PLC, OPC, and others. Select LLP to view LLP companies. The system will display 613 records found for LLP companies. You can view detailed information about directors, including WhatsApp number, phone number, registered company map address, CHIN number, total contribution, other relevant details. Notice the female and male icons which help in identifying directors' gender easily. To contact director via WhatsApp, tap on the WhatsApp icon. To call a director, tap on the call icon. To view the company's registered address on the map, tap on the map icon. To leave a remark, tap on the message icon.
After checking the new director details, you can explore other features in Finanvo by selecting other options available at the bottom.
Step-by-step guide for using the Search Company feature in Finanvo. Tap on the Search Company button. Click on the search bar at the top Type the name of the company you are looking for, such as Grow. Click on the specific company name from the scroll bar. Once you select a company, you will see detailed information including CHIN number, authorized capital, company category, listing status, registered address, directors' names, along with their DIN numbers and designations, so on. How to use Finanvo GST feature on your phone. GST button options. Tap on the New GST button. You can view detailed information about directors, including WhatsApp number, phone number, registered company map address, GST IN number, PAN card number, business nature, other relevant details. To contact director via WhatsApp, tap on the WhatsApp icon. To call a director, tap on the call icon. To view the company's registered address on the map, tap on the map icon. Step-by-step guide for using the Search GST feature in Finanvo. Tap on the Search GST button. Click on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the name of the company you are looking for, such as Stagebridge. Click on the specific company name from the scroll bar. You can view detailed information about the company, including GST IN number, legal name, PAN card number, business nature, GST IN status, taxpayer type, annual aggregate turnover, Aadhaar authenticated members, other relevant details.